Hey friends, happy holiday! Happy holiday, people. This is another one of my orders from Black Friday. Was it Black Friday or Cyber Monday? I think it was Black Friday. And this is from Levenger, the people who make the discs that I love, love, love so much. And they had I believe it was a 35% off sale. They usually have this sale every year. So they had a 35% off sale and free shipping if you spend over $100. And your girl spent over $100. So there. And this is what I purchased. This is what I bought. I bought a set of blue discs. You guys need to look at this. Oh my goodness, I'm so... Why am I excited about some discs? Well, you are about to see. Check this out. Just look at. Do you see this? Do you see this blue? Gorgeous. Gorgeous blue. 1.5 inches, and you get a set of 11. Whoops, excuse me. I think I'll have to straighten that out later. And then I got the junior size translucent covers. I wanted to try these as dividers for the new planner that I will set up when I get my new cloth and paper inserts. Plus, and you'll see the next thing, plus I need to change out this planner. This is an Emily Lay planner that I removed the ring mechanism from sometime last year. So I removed the ring mechanism and put discs on it. These are rose gold discs from Disc Agenda. And it takes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, which is the junior size in Levenger. So their Discbound system is called Circa. And this is it. Circa by Levenger. Organize your life with Circa. Projects, family, work, travel, budget. See? The original Franken planners, y'all. Ooh. Oh, and it's 2 sets. Nice. So you get one section and the other section. Cool. Oh, they did say that. Set of 2 translucent covers, front and back. How much was it? If I recall, it was like $10. The translucent cover was $9 with the sale. And the next one is this one. Yo. I bought a Softolio. I believe they call it Softolio. Yes, a Softolio, which is a soft planner. Look at the packaging. Packaging. I mean, oh, hold on. Look at this. Nice. I will keep this box. And they give you a nice usable thingamajig. This cloth is screen and lens friendly. Useful, reduce, reuse, recycle. And look at this. Man, I like that it is pebbled. It took a long time to make the decision to get this one. I was stuck between the red, this, and the white. The white was a little too shiny for me, and it didn't have this pebbly feel. There's also the blue, the darker blue in this pebbly feel. So it has the smooth and I'm calling it pebbly. But it's soft and it folds over on itself. Like so. This one can't do that. You just open it and, no, it can't turn over on itself. But this one can. And it came with a notebook. They all come with notebooks. If you buy the Softolio, it comes with a notebook. Oh, and they gave me a free notepad. Nice. And this is one of the transparent covers. Oh, okay, cool. And this is the junior size, and this is what it looks like. Paper feels nice. Yeah, it has a bit of tooth to the paper, and it's not a very bright white. And this has got how many pages? Thought it said how many pages it has. 60 ruled annotated sheets, and it's a junior, which means it uses 8 discs. This planner can contain up to, it's supposed to contain up to a 1-inch disc set, but I'm going to try it with these 1.5 inches discs, and I might take off the discs from my Christmas planner and put in here since it's red, and I'm doing the red and blue for Christmas. So this thing has got a pen loop right here, and it's expandable. Came with a free notepad and this nice brown thing. So there's one pocket here to keep your notepad if you need to. There's this pocket here where you would probably keep the back part of your notebook or planner. Fits very well, very nicely. And then you have this zipper pouch, or this zipper section here. I like that this color is blue, or I mean not blue, that it's brown. You can easily see what's in here. The lighter colored fabrics give you nice visibility. And then you have this card pocket here, another card pocket. This pocket goes down this way, and this pocket goes all the way down deep. It's so soft. I like the closure. Love, love, love the closure. I've been trying to find someone who would make one of something similar to the Erin Condren petite folios, but one that has a snap cover instead of the rope that goes around. But yeah, that's my haul from Levenger, and I'm very excited. I had the option to put a monogram-like thing on it. I didn't want to just because. Yeah, so that's it. Thank you guys for watching. How much of your Black Friday order has come in yet? So far, this is 2. All right, please subscribe to the channel. Leave a comment down below. Hit the like button. Would you try Levenger notebook? Or, yeah, would you try Levenger? Man, this is some good paper. Goodness. High caliber everyday paper, smooth and substantial, ballpoint, rollerball, and fountain pen friendly. Ideal for extensive note-taking, which we do. This will be a nice brain dump thing. And the notebook is perforated. So this was free, and this was free. Cool. And then I got discs and that, and got it on sale. So that's it, y'all. Bye-bye.